One of the most powerful features of Power BI is row-level security. This feature allows you to have a single report and dataset and still apply different security rules for each user. Row-level security allows companies, for example, to set up salespeople to only see their own sales, or set up a project manager to view their particular jobs or projects. There are 2 steps required to set up row-level security. Step 1, create users and assign permissions in the Connector app. And Step 2, assign members to a role in the Power BI service. Step 1, from Business Central, open the Power BI Insights Connector app. Select Related, Row-Level Security, Power BI Users. Add Power BI users for which you'd like to activate row-level security. To add each user, select the plus New button. The Power BI user card will open. In the Power BI login email field, enter the user's email account, which the user signs in to Microsoft Power BI, also known as the user principal name. Choose the roles for each app. Each app has a predefined set of roles. For example, select the salesperson role and only salesperson permissions will be activated in the Sales Insights Power BI app. If the security role you require is not on the list, let us know and we'll add it to the next version. Add permissions to the Power BI users we'll have in the Power BI app. For example, to add salesperson permissions, select Permissions, then Salesperson. Enter the salespeople that the Power BI user will be able to see in the Power BI, and repeat the same steps to assign other permissions for other users, such as Company, Global Dimension 1, Project Manager, etc. As stated above, each user can only have 1 active role per app. Please note that the permissions are company specific. You will need to set permissions for each company separately. Step 2. It is important before starting Step 2 to ensure you have configured row-level security in the Power BI Insights Connector app as described in Step 1. Of course, if a user has full access permissions, you will not need to do this. To manage Power BI security, open the workspace and select Dataset Security. Security will take you to a row-level security page where you can add members to a role you have selected in the Insights Connector app in Step 1. Only the owners of the dataset will see the security option. In the Power BI service, you can add a member to the role by typing in the email address or name of the user or security group. You can also add members external to your organization. Each user can only be assigned to 1 role. If you use workspaces to share content with users, row-level security will not automatically be enforced. To enforce row-level security for users browsing content in Workspace, the user must have the viewer role. And please always test row-level security before implementing it in the production environment. Use the test as role action to validate that the role is working correctly.